Fox Business Alert, folks, what a comeback. Look on your screen right now. The Dow, which had been down 781 points, has flipped around, turned positive in just the past few minutes, now up 173. S&P doing the same trick. It had been down 127, now up 9 points. We remind you, Dow component IBM told the Clayman Countdown on Monday it is planning to hire tens of thousands of jobs here in the U.S. for quantum computing and AI. But if that is not something that you're really that into, there are some very high-paid trade jobs in the U.S. On average, construction managers make more than $88,000 a year. The average aircraft mechanic makes $82 grand. Cable technicians make on average $70 grand, and industrial mechanics make $69,000 per year. Lauren Simonetti is live at a Lincoln Technical School in Mahwah, New Jersey, to talk about these very popular and high-paying jobs. Lauren.
Yeah, cha-ching. Look, while many of these advanced manufacturing jobs do not require a college degree, they do require specific training. The government is predicting demand for the skilled trades will skyrocket in the next 8 years. Check this out. With an estimated need for over 1 million auto technicians, 800,000 electricians, and 450,000 welders, Liz. Here at Lincoln Tech, a certificate will cost you about $30,000. Should take a year, maybe a little bit less, but graduates are often earning $25 an hour to start, and many of them are fresh out of high school. This campus, the president here says many consider that to be a good return on their investment.
It's no longer Plan B, C, D. It's Plan A. We're seeing more students in a school, in a trade school like this, come for a year, learn a trade, go out there and work, or maybe join get into an apprenticeship, get a steady paycheck, and then maybe go back to school for an associate's degree or bachelor's degree. The sky's the limit, but they have that skill.
And you're looking at that skill live right here in the welding room. This is the crux of all manufacturing, since Nick and Dom there are literally welding two pieces of pipe together. Welders are needed in everything from jewelry to the oil fields to the Defense Department. And this is astonishing to me. The Navy is currently looking to hire 250,000 welders to work on submarines, to build them 3 a year for the next 10 years. The Coast Guard is even offering a $75,000 enlistment bonus for machinists and for welders. Liz?
We need all of those. We need all of those. And need is important here. Lauren, thank you very much. Very interesting report.